Good morning, folks. 1973 caboose here. Just out of coincidence, the boxes of stuff I got from a friend of mine a few weeks ago. This track cleaning car was inside of it. I thought it was something different, but it was a track cleaning car. This you put the track cleaning fluid in or whatever you would use, and this is the motor that turns the brushes. There's another brush that goes along the track, wiping it wet with the track cleaning solution. This controls the brushes to wipe the track with. And when I first tested it, it did not work. And I got it working. The only thing is, it has to be pulled by a locomotive. It's moving by itself, probably due to gravity. And I think this car was probably made in the 1950s. It's made of wood, the frame. Trucks are metal, wheels are metal, the tank's metal, the motor we know is metal, and the gears that help turn the brushes. The brushes are kind of like a nylon type material. I am going to give this car a try soon, very soon. Not today, but soon. And I gotta find some good. I want to use some good track cleaning solution, so at least it'll clean the track up good. So that's my update. I've seen these and always wanted one just to see what it would do, and now I got one. I'm gonna get it going where I could test it. Thank you for watching. Please don't forget to hit the subscribe button, notification. Be free to make comments if you like. Keep it clean. Nothing obscene because I will not tolerate it, because my channel is kind of a family channel with the model trains and everything. Hit the like button, and have a wonderful and safe day. Peace out.